In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and customize Cart2Buy for your online store. Let's start with the Shipping Options section. Google Checkout supports three types of shipping. Flat rate shipping. Google Checkout defines flat rate shipping options as options for which a change in the shipping address does not affect the shipping cost. Flat rate shipping options are a good solution for merchants who do not calculate shipping rates based on the total weight of the order or on the buyer's shipping address. Carrier calculated shipping. In Carrier calculated shipping, Google Checkout enables Google to dynamically request rates from shipping carriers based on the total weight of all the items in the shopping cart. Google supports the Carrier calculated shipping feature for three carriers: FedEx, UPS, and the U.S. Postal Service, or USPS. Carrier calculated shipping is not supported for international shipping. Merchant calculated shipping. Merchant calculated shipping allows you to wait until the buyer selects the shipping address for an order before you determine the availability and cost of different shipping options for that order. It is useful if you have a complex formula to calculate shipping cost. However, you cannot offer carrier calculated shipping methods and merchant calculated shipping methods for the same store. Based on your selection of the checkboxes from the Shipping Options section, Cart2Buy will create appropriate types of shipping for you. The checkboxes. I know the weight of all items. If you know the weight of all the items, select this checkbox. When a buyer places an order, the cumulative weight of all the items in the cart will be used to calculate the shipping cost. Number 2. Allow weight-based international shipping. Select this checkbox if you want to automatically calculate international shipping rates based on total weight of the shopping cart items. Cart2Buy only supports automatic international shipping through USPS. It does not support FedEx or UPS for international shipping. If you choose this option, you will not be able to take advantage of carrier calculated shipping. Number 3. Automatically calculated shipping from FedEx, UPS, USPS based on weight. If you did not select checkbox number 2, you can select this option to automatically calculate the domestic shipping rate from USPS, UPS, and FedEx. For any international shipping, you can use flat rate shipping. Number 4. Allow coupon. Select this checkbox if you want to send promotional coupons to your customers so they can get a discount while shopping at your store. Shopping Cart Theme. You can choose a Cart2Buy theme for easy integration into your site's look and feel. Choose a theme that's appropriate for your website design. Edit order URL. When your buyer reaches Google Checkout and decides to verify or change the order, and click on Edit Order link, he or she will be brought back to this URL. Enter your Cart2Buy shoppingcart.aspx URL here. Continue Shopping URL. The Continue Shopping URL in the Google Checkout Cart2Buy settings is the URL that the Continue Shopping links within the Google Checkout environment will take the user to. Enter your product page link here so the buyer can enter new items to the shopping cart. Google Merchant ID and Google Merchant Key. Enter your Google Checkout Merchant ID and Merchant Key as displayed within the integration area of the Google Checkout control panel. For security reasons, only the last 4 digits will be shown. You can use a Sandbox Merchant ID and Merchant Key if you set up a Sandbox account, which is separate from the normal Google Checkout account. Production Environment Checkbox. Check this checkbox if you're using a Google Checkout account. Keep it unchecked if you're using a Sandbox Merchant ID and Merchant Key. Shopping Cart Template Path. You can put the Cart2Buy shopping cart inside your own template. To do this, enter the path of the template. If this template is in the same machine as the Cart2Buy, you can put a relative path. Otherwise, enter the template URL. Please visit www.cart2buy.com/demo.aspx to see how different demo stores use the Cart2Buy shopping cart inside various templates. Cart2Buy serial. You need to use a Cart2Buy serial if you want to use it in a production environment. You'll get this serial after you purchase your Cart2Buy. For the Sandbox environment, you will not need a serial. Merchant calculation URL. The merchant calculation URL identifies the URL to which Google Checkout should send merchant calculation callback requests for the calculation of tax, coupon, shipping, and so on. Just enter the URL of your callback1.aspx file, which is available under Cart2Buy folder. Shipping from. This is self-explanatory. Just enter the address where you ship your items from. This address will be used to calculate automatic shipping rates. Add Shipping button. Click this button to add a shipping method for your store. International Shipping checkbox. This checkbox will be enabled if you selected Allow Weight-Based International Shipping in the Shipping Options section. It will display different shipping USPS shipping names for international and domestic shipping. Shipping company. Once you click this field, it will display the supported shipping companies such as UPS, FedEx, or USPS. You can select one of the radio buttons or just type your own. Shipping name. Once you click on this field, it will display the shipping methods available for the selected shipping company. Select one from the list. Default price. Enter a default price in this field for this shipping. If for some reason the automatic shipping rate calculation fails due to communication error, then this price will be used. Put a reasonable value in for this. You can customize the default price by expanding the More Options panel as follows. Flat. The shipping cost will be exactly what you put in the default field price, no matter how many items are in the shopping cart. Percent of total cost. If users' total cost of all the items in the shopping cart is $100, and you put 10 in the default price field, then the shipping cost for this method will be 10% of $100 or $10. Per unit weight. If the total weight of the buyer's shopping cart item is 50 pounds, and you put 2 in the default price field, then the shipping cost for this item would be 2 times 50 or $100. Filter address. You can allow or restrict a shipping method for a particular state or country in a postbox address. To restrict shipping to a state, select Exclude Area from the Filter Type drop-down list. Select United States from the Country drop-down list and Alabama from the Region or State drop-down list. Click on Add Filter to create a filter to a selected shipping method. You can delete a shipping method by clicking on a Delete link next to the shipping method. Add taxes. Click this button to charge taxes on orders from a state or from a certain zip code pattern. If you want to add tax on a shipping amount, check Tax on Shipping. You can put a zip pattern to add a tax for zip codes of a state. Otherwise, leave it blank and choose the state to charge taxes for any orders from this state location. You can also delete any tax by clicking the Delete button next to it. Add charges. Click on the Add Charge button to make additional charges, such as a handling charge for a specific shipping. This button is not visible if no shipping method was added. To make an additional shipping charge to a shipping, select a shipping method from the Available Shippings drop-down list. Enter a charge amount in the Charge text field. You can charge a flat amount or a percent of the shipping cost by selecting either Flat or the Percent radio button. Delete an additional charge by clicking on the Delete link next to it. Add coupon. If you want to create some promotional coupons, click on Add Coupon button. To create a coupon, enter a coupon code in this field and a discount amount in the discount field. This amount can be a flat rate or a percentage of the total cost based on your selection of flat or percent radio button. Delete a coupon by clicking on the Delete link next to the coupon. Add affiliate. You'll be able to use existing affiliate tracking tools for sales through Cart2Buy. You can include a pixel URL with parameters in the cart post, and it'll be included on the checkout thank you page. You'll also be able to include placeholders for dynamic variables that will be populated before calling the URL. To track an affiliate, click on the Add Affiliate button. Find out from your affiliate tracking provider where to post a purchasing info. Type that URL in the affiliate URL field. You'll also need to send some parameters to this site. Find out what they are and enter each parameter name in the parameter field, and select a related field from the Mapped Parameters drop-down list. For each parameter, one at a time. Click on the Save Changes button to save all your changes. Please visit www.cart2buy.com/tutorials.aspx to find more specific tutorials.